2011 Chevrolet Camaro, modern muscle with classic DNA. The 2011 Chevrolet Camaro blends retro-inspired design with modern performance, paying tribute to its legendary muscle car heritage. Available in LS, LT, SS, and the high-performance ZL1 trims, this Camaro offers a thrilling driving experience. Under the hood, the standard 3.6-liter V6 delivers 312 horsepower, while the 6.2-liter V8 in the SS cranks out 426 horsepower with a manual transmission, 400 horsepower with automatic. With aggressive styling, a driver-focused cockpit, and advanced suspension, the 2011 Camaro offers both power and precision. Whether cruising the streets or hitting the track, it remains an icon of American muscle.